Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, we will talk about how to force secure HTTPS connections in the Brave Nightly browser on mobile. This setting helps improve your privacy and security. First, open the Brave Nightly browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. Inside Settings, tap on Brave Shields and Privacy to open the privacy-related options. After that, scroll down, look for an option named Upgrade Connections to HTTPS and tap on it. Next, you will see different choices for how HTTPS should be handled. Choose Require all connections to use HTTPS to force the browser to always try secure connections. Finally, once this option is enabled, Brave Nightly will automatically attempt to load every website using HTTPS. If a site does not support HTTPS, Brave may warn you or block the connection for your safety. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.